Oh, look at that face. She does not think this will end well. My wife had an idea to decorate the tree half Halloween and half Christmas, and then we could just pick it up and turn it around on November 1st. Well, I thought we could make it even better. So here's how to make a 360 rotating tree with any tree stand. First, get a piece of plywood, put a screw in the middle, attach a long string to draw a circle. Yeah, that's good enough. Now to get cutting. Don't forget your gloves and safety goggles. Using a jigsaw, cut out the circle. This will be the base for our tree, so be sure the diameter is big enough. Glue a rubber mat to the bottom so it won't slip. I put a weight on top to help it. Safety tip, you can see what happens when you don't wear gloves. Ouch! I decided to paint it black so it matches my flooring without having to use a tree skirt. This is the 23-inch motorized rotating platform with remote, which can hold up to 500 pounds. You can buy it on Amazon, link provided below. Here we are contemplating the plan to slide the tree under. Is this really going to work? In theory, yes, it should work. Don't look at the mess. Move the base into position and then lift the tree on top. Okay, let's do this. Very awkward for both of us. At this point, the bar actually landed on my neck, so be careful. Pro tip, set the stand up before putting your tree up. And success! We got it in place. And even better, it works. Now, when Mariah Carey officially announces it's time, we can switch our tree from Halloween to Christmas with just a touch of a button.